Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa radhiyallahu ta'ala anha narrated that when the verse of Surah Al-Ahzab was revealed, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam called me first and said, "O Aisha, I want to mention something to you. In this matter, do not make any decision without consulting your parents." I asked, "What is it?" The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam then called me closer and recited the verse to me. "O Prophet, tell your wives, if you should desire the worldly life and its adornment, then come, I will provide for you and give you a gracious release." Quran Surah 33 verse 24. I responded, "I choose Allah and His Messenger." Upon hearing this, the Prophet ﷺ was very pleased. Musnad Ahmad, Hadith number 24081.